Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Buta Don, stir-fried pork seasoned with a soy garlic flavored sauce over steamed rice. Plenty of fat from pork makes this dish flavorful and fulfilling, and it is very easy to make. These are the ingredients. Today we are using thinly sliced pork belly, which is definitely fatty. If you're watching calories, you can use leaner cuts, but still thinly sliced meat. First, we are going to prepare the pork. Cut pork belly slices into about 2 inches long. Place the meat slices in a small bowl, add salt, sake, and potato starch, and stir and set aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Chop green onion thinly and set aside. Slice brown onion also thinly. Add all of the ingredients for the sauce in a small bowl. Soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and freshly grated garlic. Stir until the sugar dissolves. In a frying pan, heat the oil at medium heat. Add the pork slices and cook until lightly browned, breaking apart. If you are using fatty meat but don't want too much fat, you can remove some at this point. Add the brown onion and cook until soft. Pour the sauce mixture in and cook for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly until the sauce is slightly thickened. Put steamed rice in a bowl and place the pork over rice. Top with some chopped green onion. It really doesn't take much time to make Buta Don if you have cooked rice already. If you set a timer for the rice cooker in the morning, you can eat this delicious pork bowl in 15 minutes. Give this a try when you're hungry.